How Romanian sounds to a non-Romanian speaker.
Ever wondered how your language sounds to someone who doesn't speak it? Well, let's listen.
Tron fer glastină berbicat fristal govnat cercală dofrită vel norma întreg stiloncat vrafon pretol săptarn vorbant col freț dispinal doșant. Pretur vel borgăl teron stuprei brantor șefral căstine vofrel dorman strifănor grendat fostren coftal mir song beltram fostric. Lan freț cormati vel noș cârtindul fran vestrec sufletor tren glori fristân. Corevel brantol vestrog mincal strigon fel preș motal.
Yes, I know it doesn't sound like the actual language. That's because it's not. The channel's called Language Gibberish after all. But there'll always be some who miss the point and comment that's not what this language sounds like. All because they didn't get the joke. Your comments really do make me feel psychic. Follow me if you want to hear SpongeBob obliterate more languages in hilarious gibberish.